imagine you just imagine that situation, my dear. Oh, it will be very fun. Huh? So what you will? What you will sleep over? Your father will be the first person. When you people ask that, he will be turning the other side to run. Your father can't stand that. Like he won't ask, your mom will ask. You people will. That's what I say. you, your mom will ask, and you will also. But your father will turn. Why you people want to? When you come here, na, you ask your mom. No, but I am saying why you come. I am asking. I am calling. What is like not because of that or thing. I am calling serious. Why your mom want to be there? We will be if your mom want to go to you why we will make a temple. Gel चढ़ाना है, water चढ़ाने के लिए, then milk चढ़ाने के लिए. We will make a shivji here. Huh? Even I like. We have a place actually. We will make a shivling and we will chadunga. We will only chadunga water, milk, then what rice, whatever we can chadega anything. Eh? Then we are having the other one. You flower is there for shivji here. You have that there. I will show today. Eh? That is should be what like beloved flower. I will show you today. Triveni. I will go there. I will go there. You see, certain. So when we will go temple, yeah. What happened? How 1 minute? How disrespectful are you? You call your mom to yeah. You will say, oh, I am my mom. I will hold her legs this and that. But if you are calling to, what is this? Huh? Why can't you call up here? Mom, why can't you call up? Mom, yaar. Why to? What is this here? Okay, you just imagine me. If I call my mother me, in mother me to me. My history will listen in it. Why? What happened? Huh? Huh? What like it? Uh, for that he is coming. When he will go today only. Huh? At what time he will come? At what time, yeah? Huh? You don't know. Why? When he let it, okay, who is coming that I got. Why? me, okay? Huh? Don't make this thing, okay? Huh? I want nothing to eat that. Why I can't speak for that? Huh? If I gone there only, where? No, here. This why to hide there? You know, Nami. That's all. Okay. 1 minute. What you are studying? When you wait for your work, why you want to go out for this print out this and that? How car or train? This tour he will come alone. How many? Oh, 9:40. So 2-3 trolleys, then your house will become proper. You are not a certain house for you. For with whom? With whom? What they said near only, this are only. 25,000 for rent. Electricity bill is no electricity. Then 25,000. That day na we went to that 6 floors now. When I met to this is also 1 week, na yaar. Here is 2 BHK in that yaar. That is bedroom. What yaar? Who will believe all this? Then which way that all people will come to bedroom? Huh? What construction, yeah. But still, you will get here. When you ask for less now, 9, 10 you people will give you. But people know that is the I met someone from Kerala. Here they are just paying 9,000 here. Then how come it is 25 asking?